Dear son and daughter, in this video we learn some more exercise of the lesson liquid measurements. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and like it. Start. The following table provides information of the quantities of milk collected by a milk collector from 3 houses during 2 days. This day 1, day 2. House A, B and C. Quantity of milk collected by a milk collector in day 1 is 5 liters and 500 milliliters. Day 2, 6 liters and 250 milliliters. House B. Day 1, 7 liters and 250 milliliters. Day 2, 5 liters and 750 milliliters. House C. Day 1, 4 liters and 675 milliliters. Day 2, 5 liters and 500 milliliters. Express the total quantity of milk that was obtained from House A during 2 days in terms of liters and milliliters.
11 liters and 750 milliliters.
Yes. We write liters in this column, milliliters in this column. Day 1, 5 liters and 500 milliliters. Day 2, 6 liters and 250 milliliters. We add them. 500 plus 250 is equal 750 milliliters. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 liters and 750 milliliters is the answer. Yes, good. Second one. Part 2. By what amount of the quantity of milk collected from House B on the second day? On the second day, less than the quantity that was collected on the first day. Again listen please. By what amount was the quantity of milk collected from House B on the second day less than the quantity that was collected on the first day? Then liters, milliliters. Quantity of first day 7 liters and 250 milliliters. Amount was the quantity of milk collected on the second day 5 liters and 750 milliliters. We subtract. We can't subtract 700. Yes, 750 from
500.
Yes, good. From 250 milliliters, we take 1 from here. It is equal 1000 milliliters. 1250 subtract 750 is equal 500 milliliters. Here 6 is remaining. 5 subtract from 6 is equal 1. Answer is 1 liter and 500 milliliters. Your answer is correct. Your answer is correct. Question number 3. Yes. Part 3. By what amount was quantity of milk provided by house C on the second day? More than the quantity that was provided on the first day. By what amount was quantity of milk provided by house C? House C on the second day more than the quantity that was provided on the first day. Here liters, milliliters, 5 liters and 500 milliliters, 4 liters and 675 milliliters. By what amount was that quantity of milk provided by house C? On the second day, more than the quantity that was provided on the first day. Quantity that was provided on the first day is 4 liters and 675 milliliters. It is less than the amount of second day. Then it is subtract from the amount of second day. 500 and 675 here. We take 1 from here. Then 1500. Here 675 is less than 1500. We subtract 675 from 1500. We take 1 from here. 10 subtract 5, 5. 9 subtract 7, 2. 14 subtract 6 is 8. Here 4 is remaining here. 4 subtract 4 is 0. Here answer is 825 milliliters. Do you have this answer? Puta? Do you have this answer? Yes, good.
Yes.
Yes, good. Now, part 4. Find separately the total quantity of milk provided by the house B and C during the 2 days. Find separately the total quantity of milk provided by the house B and C during 2 days. House B. Here, the total quantity of milk provided by the house B. Provided by the house B. House B during the 2 days. Here house B. Liters and milliliters. First day 7 liters and 250 milliliters. On the second day 5 liters and 750 milliliters. We take some. Here 0, 10. Remaining 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 7, 10. Remaining 1. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 liters is the answer. Answer is 13 liters. Find separately. Separately means venama. We find the total quantity of milk provided by the house B. Again, we find the total quantity of milk provided by the house C. Liters and milliliters. On first day 4 liters and 675 milliliters. Second day, 5 liters and 500 milliliters. We add them. 5, 7, 6 plus 5, 11. Remaining 1. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 liters and 175 milliliters is the answer. Next question, question number 5. Accordingly, find the total quantity of milk that the milk collector collected during the 2 days. We can find the sum on first day. 0, 5 plus 7, 12. Remaining 1. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. Remaining 1. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 4, 17. 17 liters and 420 milliliters. Quantity on first day from 3 houses. The quantity of milk collected from 3 houses on the second day. We add them. 0, 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 0, 0. Remaining 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Remaining 1. Here 1500 is equal 1000 plus 500. 500 milliliters here. 1000 milliliters is equal 1 liter. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 5, 17 liters and 500 milliliters. We add these two volumes, liters and milliliters. 17 liters and 420 milliliters. 17 liters and 500 milliliters. We add them. 0, 2, 4 plus 5, 9. 7 plus 7, 14. Remaining 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 34 liters and 920 milliliters. Do you have this answer, Puta? Do you have this? Okay, good. Good. The quantity of acid in a certain vessel in a laboratory was 3 liters. The quantity of acid taken from the vessel for various practical experiments during each day in a certain week is given below. The quantity of acid taken on Monday is 750 milliliters. Quantity of acid taken on Tuesday is 350 milliliters. Quantity of acid taken on Wednesday is 250 milliliters. Quantity of acid taken on Thursday is 150 milliliters. Quantity of acid taken on Friday is 200 milliliters. Find the total quantity of acid that was used during the 5 days. We add these 5 volumes. 5, 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15. Remaining 1. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. Plus 2, 13, 14, 16. 1650 milliliters is equal 1 liter and 650 milliliters. What was the quantity of acid remaining in the vessel at the end of the week? Then the quantity of acid in a certain vessel in a laboratory was 3 liters. 3 liters. The quantity of acid in a certain vessel. the quantity of acid in a vessel is equal 3 liters and 0 milliliters. Now then the total quantity of acid that was used during the 5 days. Total quantity of acid. The total quantity of acid. The total quantity of acid that was used during the 5 days is equal. What is the answer? Here now the total quantity of acid that was used. Here what is the answer for this latest question? The total quantity of acid that was used. Yes, Puta?
1650 milliliter.
Yes, 1 liter and 650 milliliters. Now, what was the quantity of acid remaining in the vessel at the end of the week? The quantity of acid that was remaining in the vessel at the end of the week. The quantity of acid that was remaining. In the vessel is equal 1 liter and 650 milliliters is subtract from the 3 liters. Here we can't subtract 650 from 0. We take 1 from here. 1000 milliliters subtract 650 is equal 350. 2 subtract 1 is equal 1. 1 liter and 350 milliliters is the answer. Next question. A certain type of paint is marketed in tins of following sizes: 500 milliliters, 1 liter, 2 liters and 4 liters. A person wishes to buy 1 liter of paint. What are the 2 ways in which he can purchase this? 2 tins of 500 milliliters. 2 tins of size 500 milliliters. 2 tins of size 500 milliliters. Second way, a tin of size 1 liter. A tin means 1 tin of size 1 liter. Part 2. The quantities of each type that were sold during a week is given below. 4 tins of size 1 liter. 4 tins of size 1 liter. 3 tins of size 2 liters. 3 tins of size 2 liters. 7 tins of size 500 milliliters. Express the total amount of paint that was sold during that week in terms of liters and milliliters. Quantity of quantity of 4 tins of size 1 liter is equal 4 times 1 is equal 4 liter. 4 times 1 is equal 4 liters. Four times 1 is equal 4 liter. We write here 4 times 1 4 liters. 3 times 2. 3 times 2. 6. 3 times 2 is equal 6 liters. 7 tins of 7 tins of size 500 milliliters. 7 times 500 milliliters is equal 0, 7 times 5, 35. 3500 milliliters is equal 3 liters and 500 milliliters. The question is this. Express the total amount of paint that was sold during the week in terms of liters and milliliters. Total amount. The total amount is equal liters, milliliters, 4 liters. 6 liters, 3 liters and 500 milliliters. 500, 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. Answer is 13 liters and 500 milliliters. Next part. A person bought a tin of size 4 liters. Quantity of tin. Quantity of the tin is equal 4 liters and no milliliters. Quantity he used 2 liters and 700 milliliters. He used 2 liters and 700 milliliters. How much paint was left over? Quantity of paint. paint. Quantity of paint was left over. Quantity of paint was left over is equal 2 liters and 700 milliliters is subtract from 4 liters. We can't subtract 700 from 0. We take 1 liter here. It is equal 1000 milliliters. 1000 subtract 700 is equal 300. Here 3 is remaining here. 3 subtract 2 is equal 1. 1 liter and 300 milliliters is the answer. Next question. At 8 am, there was 1500 liters of water in a tank. The quantity of water that was used up during 6 hours from 8 am to 2 pm is given below. Here time, here quantity of water that was used. In this column, quantity of water. Quantity of water that was used. This column is time column. First hour. First hour. First hour, 8 am to 9 am. 8 am to 9 am. Quantity is 78 milliliters. Second hour, 9 am to 10 am. Quantity is 120 milliliters. 120 liters and here in first day 78 liters. In second day 120 liters and 750 milliliters. 750 milliliters. On third day, on third hour. In third hour, in third hour, 10 am. 10 am to 11 am. 150 liters. 150 liters and 500 milliliters. Fourth hour, fourth hour, 11 am. To 12 am. 400 liters and 750 milliliters. In fifth hour. In fifth hour, 12 noon to 1 p.m. Here 12, not 12 a.m. 12 noon. 12 noon. 12 noon. 12 noon to 1 p.m. 12 noon. To 1 p.m. 1 p.m. 200 liters. Sixth hour. 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. p.m. 180 liters. Question number 1. Show by calculating the amount that by the end of the fourth hour, exactly half the quantity of water in the tank had been used. Now find the amount that was used by the end of the fourth hour. Here first hour, second hour, third hour, fourth hour. Now we add these volumes, liters and milliliters. First hour, 78 liters here. In second hour, quantity of water that was used in second hour, 2 liters and 750 milliliters. In third hour, 150 liters and 500 milliliters. In fourth hour, 400 liters and 750 milliliters. Amount that by the end of the fourth hour. Now quantity of water that was used in first 4 hours, we add them. 0, 5 plus 5, 10, remaining 1. 1 plus 7, 8, plus 5, 13, plus 7, 20, remaining 2. 2 plus 8, 10, remaining 1. 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 5, 15, remaining 1. Here 120. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. Addition is 750 liters. Now, the quantity of water in the tank. The quantity. The quantity of water in the tank. Quantity of the water in the tank is equal 1500. 1500 liters subtract 750 liters is equal 750 liters. 1500 liters subtract 750 liters is equal 750 liters. Yes, 750 is Exactly half the quantity of water in the tank has used up. Now finally write the answer. Finally write the answer. Exactly half the quantity of water in the tank has been used up, because 750 over 1500 is equal half. Now write the answer in words. Utat, part 2. Find the amount of water remaining in the tank at the end of first 6 hours. Now find the total amount of water that was used in first 6 hours. The total amount of water used in first 6 hours. Total amount. Total amount of water that was used in first 6 hours is equal, we find the total. Here, liters, milliliters. First hour 78 liters, second hour 120 liters and 750 milliliters, third hour 150 liters and 500 milliliters, in fourth hour 400 liters and 750 milliliters, in fifth hour 200 liters, in sixth hour 180 liters. Total amount 0, 5 plus 5 10, remaining 1. 1 plus 7 8, 8 plus 5 13 plus 7 20. Find the amount of water that was remaining in the tank at the end of the 6 hours. 10 remaining 1, 8, 13, 20 remaining 2. 2 plus 8, 10 remaining 1. 1 plus 7, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 5, 15 plus 8, 23 remaining 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 1130 liters. Find the amount of water remaining in the tank at the end of the 6 hours. The amount of water remaining in the tank at the end of 6 hours. Is equal 1500 liters subtract 1130 liters is equal 370 liters. Next question. By what amount is the quantity that was used in the third hour greater than the quantity that was used in the second hour. The quantity that was used in the third hour is the quantity that was used. The quantity that was used in third hour is equal, third hour is equal 150 liters and 500 milliliters. Question is, by what amount is the quantity that was used in the third hour greater than the quantity that was used in the second hour? The quantity that was used in second hour is equal 120 liters and 750 milliliters. The larger amount is 150 liters and 150 liters and 500 milliliters. Why? What the amount is the quantity that was used in the third hour greater than the quantity of amount used in the second hour? The quantity that was used in the second hour is subtract from the quantity that was used in the third hour. Here 750 subtract from 500, we can't do it. We take 1 from here, then 1500 milliliters here. 750 subtract from 1500 is equal 750. Now 149 is remaining here. Here 29. The answer is 29 liters and 750 milliliters. Puta, do you have this answer? Puta, do you have this answer?
Yes.
The total amount of water used in first 6 hours. We find the addition. 0, 5 plus 5, 10, remaining 1. 1 plus 7, 8, plus 5, 13, plus 7, 20, remaining 2. 2 plus 8, 10, remaining 1. 1 plus 7, 8, plus 2, 10, plus 5, 10 plus 5, 15 plus 8, 23, remaining 2, plus 1, 3, 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 10, 11. Is this answer is correct? Puta? Is this answer correct? 1130 liters. Do you have this answer?
Yes, teacher.
Quantity of water that was used in first 6 hours. Quantity of water that was used in first 6 hours. First 6 hours is equal 1130 liters. If the total amount of water that can be filled into the tank is 2000 liters. 2000 liters. The total amount of water that can be filled into the tank is 2000 liters. Find how much water has to be filled has to be added to the water remaining in the tank. The quantity of water remaining in the tank. The quantity of water remaining in the tank is equal
107.
yes 1130 liters. Now the quantity of water has to be added to the water the quantity of water has to be added to the water to fill up completely. 1130 is subtract from 2000 liters. 10 subtract 3, 7. 9 subtract 1, 8. 870 liters is the answer. Quantity of water. Quantity of water has to be added. To fill it up completely. Is equal 2000 liters subtract 1130 is equal 870 liters. Yes, Puta. Now today we stop the class. Again. Have a nice day. Triple James. Yes, Triple James bless you. Take care.